Remote work is the new standard for many. Teams are spread out, working from home offices, cafes, you name it. This shift offers incredible flexibility, but also introduces fresh challenges, particularly for employee well-being. One aspect that often flies under the radar is screen time. We are glued to our displays more than ever before. This constant digital immersion demands thoughtful management from organizations. So, let's talk about nightlight. This feature in Windows 10 reduces blue light from your monitor. Think of it as a digital sunset for your screen, easing you into the evening. It's particularly beneficial for remote employees working late or navigating different time zones. Implementing a centralized management solution for this is a smart move for forward-thinking companies. This guide is all about achieving that centralized control. We are going to take a deep dive into deploying nightlight effectively using group policy. So let's get started on making those screens a bit more gentle on everyone's eyes. What's the problem with blue light? It's a specific type of light in the visible spectrum. It has a relatively short wavelength and produces a higher amount of energy. During daylight, blue light from the sun is beneficial, keeping us awake and alert. The issue arises because our device screens also emit a lot of blue light. One common problem is digital eye strain. Symptoms include dry eyes, blurry vision, and headaches. Blue light scatters more easily, making it harder for our eyes to focus. Prolonged exposure, especially in dimly lit rooms, strains eye muscles. Then there's the impact on sleep. Exposure to blue light before bedtime disrupts our circadian rhythm by suppressing melatonin. Low melatonin levels make falling asleep harder and lead to poorer sleep quality. All these factors, eye strain and poor sleep, hit productivity. Reducing blue light exposure isn't just a minor comfort tweak. It's a strategic initiative for fostering a healthier and more productive remote team. It's about ensuring sustainable performance long-term. Before diving into technical configurations, let's cover the essential prerequisites. You'll need a domain controller for any group policy deployment. Your Windows 10 workstations must be joined to your domain. The nightlight feature was introduced with the Windows 10 Creators Update version 17.03. Ensure all devices are running at least this version. You'll need the Group Policy Management Console, GPMC, and appropriate administrative permissions. Finally, ensure time settings are synchronized across your network for nightlight scheduling functionality. Section 4. Building the blueprint, creating and configuring the nightlight GPO. Open the Group Policy Management Console, GPMC. Navigate to the organizational unit, OU, containing the remote user or computer accounts. Right-click on the OU and select Create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Name your GPO, for example, Global Remote Worker Nightlight Policy. Edit the GPO to add settings. Navigate to User Configuration Preferences, Windows Settings. Registry. Create new registry entries. To enable nightlight, use the key path. The value name is a regi_binary type value. For turning nightlight on, use the value. Configure the intensity with the key. A sample value for 50% strength is. Test these values in a pilot environment before a wide rollout. Always ensure thorough testing. Section 5. Rolling it out, applying and verifying the nightlight policy. Once your GPO is configured, think about deployment. The GPO is linked to the target OU, so policy application happens automatically. This typically occurs during the next scheduled group policy refresh cycle. For immediate application, use the command. Execute this command on a client machine to re-evaluate all applicable GPOs. A system reboot or user sign out and sign in might be required. Implement a phased rollout strategy, starting with a small pilot group. Monitor these systems for any issues before expanding. Use GPMC's reporting features to track GPO application status. Verify settings on a client machine using the Registry editor. Section 6. Pro-level control, advanced nightlight management and customization. Let's explore advanced customization options. Configure nightlight manually on a reference PC, then export the relevant keys. Import these captured.reg file values into your GPO's registry item configuration. Time zone management is crucial for globally distributed teams. Nightlight scheduling feature offers a sunset to sunrise option. Alternatively, specify fixed hours for activation and deactivation. If users want to override settings, consider adjusting NTFS permissions on registry keys. Ensure the apply once and do not reapply option is unchecked for continuous reapplication. Allowing some user control might be better for morale and adoption. Deploying Nightlight via group policy supports remote worker well-being. Clearly communicate these changes and their benefits to your team. Stay informed on Microsoft's updates for potential new GPO settings. Keep optimizing for better deployment.